Hey, what's up guys? First of all, I do want to apologize for the audio quality. It's not going to be the best, I'm sorry. It's my camera's built-in mic. I don't have a camera mic yet, but that will be coming eventually. Now let's get to the video. I'm going to show you how to unblock pretty much anything on pretty much any Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. This was previously possible, but it wasn't nearly as easy as it is now. A recent update has made this much easier. So here's what you're going to need. The first thing, well actually the only real thing, is this app. It's called Orbot. This will proxy your internet traffic through the Tor network as a VPN. If you don't know what that means, it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Also, I apologize for the shakiness here. This is surprisingly hard to do behind a camera. So this is what the app looks like when you open it up. The first thing I would do is go to this top settings icon and uncheck this top box. That turns it to where it will not run when you turn your phone on every time. It's extremely annoying when you don't need it. The second thing is this VPN button. I've already done this once, but it'll come up with a thing. Oh, that was not English. It'll come up with a thing that says it needs access to VPN or something. Just click OK, and if that turns green, just long press it to turn it off. If the Wi-Fi that you're on has blocked stuff and you're trying to unblock it, it has probably already blocked access to the Tor network, and that's where this bridges button comes in. Try the top option first. This is like a way to access the Tor network indirectly, so that you can get into the Tor network without actually directly connecting to it, so that whatever your network is can't detect that you're actually joining the Tor network. If the first one works, you'll long press this and it'll go through its startup sequence, and if it says connected to the Tor network, then it worked, and it'll turn green like this. At the bottom here it'll say, see, you can read that, it says 10%, and it'll go up or not. Okay. If it doesn't work, just long press it again, go to bridges again, and pick something that is not blocked on your network, like Google. Then try it again. And it'll say connected, 10%, 20%, and all that. 50. And then it's done. And now you can click the browser button. And this is an interesting part. The Tor project has its own browser on the Play Store based on Firefox, which is called Orfox, but you don't have to use that. If you're using the VPN option, you don't have to use Orfox. So I'm just going to open it in Chrome to show you that it works in a different browser. I'm sorry if some of this is out of focus. And it says congratulations, it's configured to use Tor. And it says what your IP address appears to be. And this here That's what I was talking about. The Tor browser is like an extremely, how should I put it, secure browser, I guess. The Tor project is used in like countries like China that censor the internet. You can get past that with this, but yeah, for our purposes we're just trying to unblock stuff, so it doesn't really matter. And you can go and do whatever. That app won't show up in the app drawer, by the way. You'll have to relaunch it to see it. And the last option that I'm going to talk about is this. Yeah. This lets you adjust where it appears that you are on the internet. So I'm going to choose United States because that's where I actually am. But if you wanted it to appear that you were from Australia or something, is Australia on here? Yeah. Then you could just click that and the websites would think that you are in Australia, or whatever you choose. That is the end of my video, and I hope I helped someone. See you in the next one. I forgot to mention something. Once you turn, let me focus. Come on, focus. Once you turn this off and it's gray, you need to unclick the VPN button or your internet won't work correctly. Because it's still the Android operating system is still like routing your internet through this app, but the app's not doing anything with it, so it's just not going to work. So make sure the VPN is off when you're done with it. That's all.